If you want to know how I get my eyebrows on fleek, stay tuned. Let me stop being dramatic. Anyway, if you want to know how to do your eyebrows like I do them, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I get my brows from looking like this to looking like I've plucked and shaped my brow off the camera. I've tried following the natural shape, so I'm going to be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. To fill in my eyebrow, I'm going to be using the NYX Tame and Frame Pomade in the color Espresso. Just to make sure that the brows stay in place, I'm going to be using NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. This is the colorless one. Okay. To clean the eyebrow and to make sure that it pops, I'm going to be using the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. And then I'm going to use the NARS foundation in my shade for the upper brow. The NYX brow pencil has a spoolie at the end, so you really don't need to buy an extra spoolie. And this is the one I'll use to just comb my eyebrows upwards and outwards, like so, and outline the shape of my eyebrow. Using very short strokes. So. Then I'm going to do the same on the upper side of the brow, above the brow, just following the shape of my brow to the end, like so. So once I've outlined my brow, I take an angled brush like so, and I'm going to use it to fill in the brow. So I'm going to dip it in the pomade, and then I'm going to start filling in my brow. You see, I'm not filling in my brow from the beginning because we want to create that ombre effect. So I fill in my brow, moving the brush in the same direction. If you make a mistake and you go out of the outer line that you drew, it's okay. You're going to clean it up with a concealer. So as to intensify the color, I'm going to add more product. But it always depends on what you prefer. Without adding any more product, I'm going to use the same brush and just try to fill in the front part of the brow, like so. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but we have two different intensities going on. Then I take my spoolie once again and just make sure and go through the brow, so that this way I'm also spreading the product everywhere, so in case anything has been covered by the hair. So, alright. Then we're going to take up the concealer and clean up the eyebrow. We all know that a little goes a long way. So then I'm going to take the foundation, NYX in color dark 4. I'm using the same brush. I know I'm supposed to use another brush, but I love this one because it's so precise. But I'm using the other side. You see? I've used quite a lot, but you'll see it come together, don't worry. The spool is your best friend. So there that we have our ombre effect. But then you really have to blend out the concealer. You really have to blend out the concealer. Like, really take your time. Personally, I am happy with the outcome. So I'm going to set my brows using NYX Control Freak. So personally I've been using the NYX eyebrow pencil, eyebrow pomade, the Tame and Frame eyebrow pomade, the brow gel for I think it's now it must be more than 3 months. I find them to be very affordable, readily available, especially where I live. I was very happy to walk into the store and find that NYX has like colors like espresso, dark brown, and so I've been using the eyebrow products that I've mentioned in this video. I love them, and I'm going to keep using them, and they don't break the bank. They're very affordable. So if you're out there looking for eyebrow products, check out the NYX makeup section at Manor or at Coop, or if you're the type who orders online, just feel free to order online. If you are my shade, the color Espresso will do good for you. If you want it to be more intense, you can always add more product. The pomade is a lot, and it's I can't remember the price, but it's quite affordable and it's a lot of product. Believe you me, your eye pencil will finish before the pomade finishes. This video is not sponsored by NYX. I'm just expressing myself, and even if it was sponsored by NYX, I would still tell you my honest opinion. If you like the eyebrow tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, share the video. See you next time.